How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel once again. I'm hoping you're having a great day today, and everything you try to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a good day because I'm about to remove this ugly shift knob and this ripped off shift boob. I got the replacement here. I got a bright shift boob cover, and I'm about to install it today. And I also got a new shift knob. This one's made out of carbon fiber. It's a really nice one. Alright. There you go. Look at that. It's really cute, right? Really pretty. Alright, so that's what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna remove this and put this in the shift boob cover. So stay tuned. So I need to take care of this one first. I need to remove it. Gotta find out. I forgot how to take this thing out. Oh, here it is. You take this little donut. There you go. And it has like how many screws? It has 1, 2, 3. Here it is. Let me see which side it is. I think it's this side or this side. It's really tight. Don't want to strip it. There's another one somewhere. Here it is. And it comes out. There it is. Alright. So I got it out already. That's how easy it is. I might give this away to somebody. Hit me up. Let me know if you guys want this free shift knob. I will send it to you. This one is kind of cheap. It's the one that you bolt it onto the side and then it bolts down to the car. I don't know if you want it. You let me know, okay? Alright. So I'm missing the little plate. It's like a little plate that goes around here to make this sit flat. I don't have it at the moment, so I'm just going to install it like this for now. Got some floor mats for the 240 finally. That's what I'm about to put on right now. Boy. That's the way they go. Right? I think that's the way they go, right? Yeah. Well, there it is. Now the other side. Let me unlock the door. This side is much cleaner than the other side. That's my antenna. I'm gonna put that sucker on right now. There it is. What do you guys think? Finally, floor mat. Everything. You know, this is like the first 240 I own that has an antenna. Every 240 I had is always missing the antenna. And I ain't gonna lie to you, this is another reason why I bought this 240, because when I saw the OEM antenna on it, I was like, okay. So, there it is. So another part that the 240 always breaks is the radio bezel. Here it is, it's broken. That's the way I got it. I got this piece right here. I'm gonna install it today, but I have to cut the cigarette lighter because the cigarette lighter works and I want to keep it. So I'll keep you posted, okay? Alright then. So this is the bezel. I bought it on eBay for like, I think 50 bucks, 60 bucks, I don't remember. So I'm gonna put the lighter in here. So I'm gonna give you a quick tip. So this thing is 2 parts. It comes out. You see that? It comes out, right? So now I'm gonna draw this in here. There's a little thing in here, the lighter, and then I'm gonna go ahead and draw the circle. Okay? All right. I don't have the right tool to do this to make this hole, so I'm gonna grind it little by little, like the way I'm just doing it right now. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'll show you when I'm done, alright? So there you have it. We have came into the end of the video, end of the blog, whatever you want to call it. I hooked up the part right here. I show you how I did this. Completely interior upgrade. Floor mats are here with the 240SX logo, man. I'm loving it. Here it is. Also got a carbon fiber shift knob, and I need the bottom part, remember, so this can stay up. But it's a major upgrade. Remember, I didn't have this part and it used to look ugly. Now it looks really, really nice. Look at that. Complete my interior. I show you how to put the lighter thing. There you go. Oh boy, it's coming along little by little, guys. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do, and I will see you on the next one. All right, I'm out. Peace.
With a twist on it, all or nothing, how we play. Baby girl, if I may take you with my Chevrolet and change your life in a major way. Give you things you never had, champagne, bubble bath, presidential suite. Tell me, can you handle that? I came from nothing, now the whole thing changed. Pockets swelling out with hundreds, VIP when we agree.